Jayapanda is in Guwahati for some party work, and that is the reason why there is a problem with the connectivity. Go ahead, Mr. Panda.
I'll be happy to
the point.
Yes.
The point I was making.
The sentence. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The point I was making is that Shashi and his party and their friends have been making these points, for example, about the Swachh Bharat mission, and they were wrong. We have proven that the Swachh Bharat mission, launched by the Prime Minister 6 years ago, has succeeded enormously well. It's being complimented by every expert around the world, and the big sums announced for it have been spent and achieved their objective. So today, when in this budget, massive new funding has been made available for urban Swachh Bharat for the phase 2, now, what Shashi is saying is exactly par for the course. They're being dismissive about it. Now, let me take the example of infrastructure. Now, sitting here in Assam, I can tell you there has been massive construction of roads, highways, and panchayat roads in the last 5 years. And now another 34,000 crores has been announced for road construction in Assam. Similarly, nearly 1 lakh crores for highways construction in West Bengal and Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Yes.
Now, you can sit in Delhi and make such glib comments that this is
Mr.
not happening, it's not leading to investment or infrastructure.
That the focus is on poll-bound states.
The reality is that roads and highways and panchayat roads have been built all over India over the last 6 years at a much higher pace than existed in the previous government. And so these places do require, the Northeast has been massively neglected over decades of Congress rule. So if you come and see the massive construction that's taking place in Assam and other places, and the east of India has also similarly been neglected. So, Shashi and his friends can be glib and say that, hey, you're doing this for elections. But the reality is there's decades of catching up that we need to do.
Okay.
If you come to the ground in the Northeast and
Dr.
in Bengal,
Tharoor,
you'll...
At that point,
so,
can this be finally interpreted as the government getting its act together with regards to fiscal deficit, especially in the backdrop of the pandemic?
No.
So, Maria, let me first of all compliment Shashi for acknowledging that on the infrastructure front, the Modi government has done a phenomenal job. Thank you for that candor. Now, about his other criticism about Manrega and other expenses to help the bottom of the pyramid, Shashi is aware that because of the pandemic, there has been a massive rise of expenditure directly through DBT, through Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and mobile accounts into tens of millions of Indians' hands. This includes 22 million migrant workers. This includes 80 million rural women. This includes 800 million Indians of the bottom of the income scale who've been granted extra allocations on food grains and so on and so forth. Now, you asked about the fiscal deficit. This has taken the fiscal deficit to almost double digits, to 9.5%. Let's pause for a moment and recognize that, because this represents a 3 times increase of the deficit. That means this deficit is 300% of what the BJP government had achieved in bringing down the deficit to. You can't go completely crazy and spend without any concern, because what this does is leads to higher inflation. It leads to rupee depreciation. Now, these are issues I think Shashi should understand. So within those constraints, I think Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharamanji did a brilliant job of explaining that we kept having a series of medium-sized measures taken during the whole of last year, rather than one big bang.
Okay.
And this was done to calibrate the response. So to say that the bottom of the pyramid have not been helped is not true. When there was a lockdown in place, when there were movement restrictions, it didn't make sense to fund Manrega, where people couldn't go out and do the work that was necessary.
The question
so
that I asked,
that
let
will
me
get
ask that
adjusted
question
as per the reality.
Again.